Hello, this is Bob Lonsby. I want to welcome you to this overview of large language models and some of the important tasks they can revolutionize for you and your teams. So, what are large language models, LLMs? Advanced AI models capable of understanding and generating human like text. They have been trained on vast data sets to perform a variety of language tasks. Applications include customer service automation, content creation and summarization, sentiment analysis and trend prediction. Why LLMs are crucial for business? Great for automating repetitive tasks. Lead to enhanced customer experience with personalized interactions. They can generate compelling insights from unstructured data. Some excellent use cases include chatbots and virtual assistants, as well as automated report generation, policies, procedures, SOPs, and test protocols as examples. What is Anaconda? A comprehensive open source data science platform with pre-installed libraries for analysis and machine learning applications. Key tools for LLMs include transformers and pre-trained LLMs for diverse tasks, Scikit Learn for data cleaning and visualization, and Jupyter Notebook for Python code deployment. Let's discuss the business advantages of using Python tools. One is cost effectiveness with reduced licensing costs. Another is flexibility. It is easy to integrate with existing workflows. A third is scalability. It is suitable for smaller as well as large data sets. Lastly, there is a vast community supporting and using the product. In our first case study, we used LLMs in a customer support application. The objective was to improve customer response times and accuracy. The approach was to use LLMs and chatbots to handle common issues. The outcome was reduced costs and enhanced customer satisfaction. In our second case study, we made use of LLMs and laboratory data to predict if a person was going to get esophageal cancer. The approach was to use LLMs and machine learning algorithms to build a useful classification model. The outcome was a model which provided enhanced visibility to clinicians and patients regarding this affliction. What are the implementation steps to follow for a specific pilot project? First is data preparation. Do we have reliable domain-specific data sets available in an acceptable format? If so, we can then make use of Python libraries for model building, incorporating the appropriate LLMs into the business workflows. The last stage is model deployment and monitoring, iterating the models as needed as we further our process understanding. Some of the challenges with the application of these tools are compilation requirements as well as potential ethical concerns. Some possible solutions are to use cloud computing and GPU accelerations, as well as to establish clear AI ethical guidelines. What is the ROI associated with adopting LLMs and Python tools? Quantifiable benefits include reduced time for repetitive tasks with enhanced customer engagement and loyalty. Qualitative benefits include increased innovation, enhanced knowledge of our technologies, and strengthening of competitive advantage. Some key next steps include conducting a pilot project or projects, train key team members on LLMs and the Anaconda platform, then evaluate results and scale the effort. Please check out our website for more information regarding training and project support.